Hello class, my name is Dylan Hamilton and I'm going to be presenting how to play pickleball in a physical education class setting. Here we go. With scoring, a pickleball game is normally played to 11 and must be won by 2. You can only score while serving. Let's talk about the serve. The serve must be hit with an underhand swing motion and the ball contacted below the hips. When hitting the server must be behind the baseline and serve into the adjacent box, as like is done in tennis. You only get one serve. If the ball is hit out of the court, into the net, or into the no volley zone, it is side out. The center line, sidelines, and baselines are considered in on a serve, but if the ball lands on a no volley line, it is side out. If the ball hits the net and goes into the service box, it is a let, and the server maintains a serve, and again, you can only score while serving. Next, the double bounce rule. When the ball is served, the player on the receiving side must let the ball bounce once before hitting it. When the ball is returned to the serving side, the ball must again bounce once before being hit. After the ball has bounced once on each side, the ball can be hit without bouncing as long as you want, and as long as you are in the no volley zone, 7 feet from the net. So, next, the no volley zone. The no volley zone is 7 feet from the net on each side, as a player cannot hit the ball if he or she is inside the no volley zone, unless the ball bounces first. Once a ball bounces, a player can hit the ball while inside the zone. And then here are what the paddles look like, and then this is the pickleball ball. Thank you, class.